Hello, Big Reds. This is Mr. Vishal talking. So what I want you to have out in front of you before you start is you need the sheet classifying triangles and quadrilaterals, classifying triangles, and angle sum of triangles and quadrilaterals. And this is learning target 1 and 2, video number 1. All right, so I'm going to do a few of these problems with you, and then you're going to do some on your own later. So we'll start with this one. Angle sum of triangles and quadrilaterals. All right, start with number 1 here. We have 31, 115, and B. Oops, sorry about that. Light shut off on me. Okay, so in triangle, angles add up to 180. So I could take 115 plus 31 plus B equals 180. Add these together, I get 146 plus B equals 180. Subtract 146 from each side. I have B is equal to, subtract those, I have 34. So it's 34 degrees for B. All right, great. All right, now I want to go a little down to, there are actually some quadrilateral ones. I said might as well practice quadrilaterals as well. Quadrilaterals add up to 360. So I take 108 plus 72 plus 81 plus B equals 360. Add these together. $361 plus B equals, I'm sorry, 261. Sorry. 261 plus B equals 360. Subtract 261. B equals 99 degrees. That's how you do that one. All right, turn this over. All right, now we have some more complicated problems. Let's look at number 13 on the other side. Okay, these add up to 180. So now I have 7x minus 3 plus 77 plus 50 equals 180. I combine all these together. 50 plus 77 is 127, minus 3 is 124. So I have 7x plus 124 equals 180. Subtract 124 from each side. Left with 7x equals 56. All right, at this point I divide by 7. X equals 8. Okay, same thing with quadrilateral, only quadrilaterals add up to 360. So I take 5x plus 16 plus 102 plus 92 plus 100 equals 360. Add these together. So yeah, this becomes 100. 100 plus 92 is 192. 192 plus 102 is 294. 294 plus 16 is 310. So 5x plus 310 equals 360. Subtract 310 from each side. I'm left with 5x equals 50. So I divide by 5. X equals 10. Okay, those are the ones from this sheet I want to do. Classifying triangles and quadrilaterals. Let's look at this one. First of all, please use your thinking maps. Use thinking maps from yesterday. that would be very helpful. So if you look at this, this has angles, and you can see they all have the same mark. So that means you have 3 congruent angles. This is an equiangular triangle. Okay. Let's go down and look at some other ones. All right, this one. See, these all have marks, but the marks are all different. So if you look at the sides, none of the sides are the same. So it must be a scalene triangle. And so on. So I'll let you work on that later. Now I want you to have out this classifying triangles sheet. All right, it says here, classify each triangle by each angles and sides. Base your decision on the actual length of the sides and the measures of the angles. Okay, so if I'm looking at this, it looks like these two are the same. All right, so this could be called an isosceles triangle. And it also looks like this angle is greater than 90, so I could also call it an obtuse triangle. Right? Some of these may have more than one answer. Okay, so I go down here to this one. This is a right angle, and it does look like these two are congruent. So it's a right isosceles triangle. Okay. All right, now I want you to turn to over here. It says, sketch an example of the type of triangle described. Mark the triangle to indicate what information is known. If no triangle can be drawn right now possible. All right, acute isosceles. So you draw to the best of your ability. Triangle, acute triangle, all these are less than 90 degrees. Isosceles, those two are congruent. Okay, so you want to try to draw triangles that fit those descriptions and make the correct markings. All right, so the rest of this time while you're at the Chromebooks, what I would like you to do is continue working on these sheets, and you'll have some time in the middle groups today as well to work on those. So thanks, and go Big Red.